Most men live blind. They fight battles without knowing the rules of the game. But reality isn't chaos. It's governed by laws. Universal laws. The ones who win know them. The ones who lose don't. These laws cut through every area of life. Money, power, status, relationships, and health. They are always running in the background, whether you recognize them or not. If you want to bend reality, you must first understand its code. Here are 33 universal laws you can use to move from spectator to creator. Number 1, the law of mentalism. Everything begins in the mind. Thoughts are the blueprint. Action follows thought. Your inner narrative sets the limit of your external reality. Application. Rewire your self-talk. The man who sees himself as powerful becomes powerful. Number 2, the law of correspondence. As above, so below. As within, so without. Your outer world mirrors your inner state. Application. Fix your inner chaos and watch your external life fall into order. Number 3, the law of vibration. Nothing rests, everything moves. Your emotions, thoughts, and choices radiate frequency. Application. Stay in higher states. Energy attracts its match. Number 4, the law of polarity. Everything has an opposite. Hot, cold, love, hate, success, failure. Application. Use polarity. If you're stuck in despair, know its opposite exists and can be reached. Number 5, the law of rhythm. Life moves in cycles. Seasons turn. Markets rise and fall. Energy peaks and dips. Application. Don't fight the swing. Time your moves with the rhythm. Number 6, the law of cause and effect. Nothing happens by chance. Every action has a reaction. Every choice has a price. Application. Study second and third order effects. Winners think further down the chain. Number 7, the law of gender. Creation needs both masculine and feminine energy. Initiation plus incubation. Force plus receptivity. Application. In business, vision, masculine, plus nurturing execution, feminine. Number 8, the law of relativity. Nothing has meaning until compared in context. Rich or poor, tall or short, all relative. Application. Control the frame of comparison and you control perception. Number 9, the law of perpetual transmutation. Energy is never static. It shifts form. Low vibrations can be transformed into higher ones. Application. Anger becomes fuel. Pain becomes purpose. Number 10, the law of compensation. You always get paid back, not always in the form you expect, but the balance sheet of the universe never misses. Application. Give value in surplus. Compensation comes back amplified. Number 11, the law of attraction. Like attracts like. Focus determines what you pull into your orbit. Application. Focus on strength and abundance, not weakness and lack. Number 12, the law of unity. Everything connects. Nothing stands alone. Application. See the web. Pull one thread and others move. Leverage network effects. Number 13, the law of action. Dreams mean nothing without movement. Only action grounds thought into reality. Application. Motion over intention. Number 14, the law of growth. Life demands expansion. Stagnation is decay. Application. Always level up. Stop growing and you start dying. Number 15, the law of energy conservation. Energy cannot be destroyed, only transferred. Application. Guard your energy. Don't let parasites drain it. Direct it where it compounds. Number 16, the law of resistance. What you resist persists. Focus feeds it. Application. Stop wrestling shadows. Redirect focus toward what you want. Number 17, the law of belief. Your beliefs set the boundaries of your life. Application. Destroy limiting scripts. Build beliefs that expand possibilities. Number 18, the law of alignment. When thought, word, and action line up. You move with force. Application. Internal conflict drains you. Align, and you become unstoppable. Number 19. The law of reciprocity. Exchange fuels relationships. Give, and you receive. Hoard, and you weaken bonds. Application. Giving builds loyalty and leverage. Number 20. The law of focus. What you focus on expands. Application. Cut distractions. Aim energy at one target until it breaks. Number 21. The law of expectation. You get what you expect. Subconscious expectation shapes reality more than desire. Application. Expect greatness, not wish for it. Number 22. The law of abundance. There is more than enough. Scarcity is man-made illusion. Application. Train yourself to see opportunity where others see limits. Number 23. The law of reciprocity of opposites. Your greatest weakness contains your greatest strength. Application. Flip failures into leverage. Number 24. The law of faith. Faith creates bridges before the path is clear. Application. Act with conviction. Reality bends to certainty. Number 25. The law of detachment. Clinging chokes flow. When you need something desperately, you repel it. Application. Want it, move toward it, but don't need it. Number 26. The law of substitution. You can't think two thoughts at once. Replace the negative with a positive. Application. Redirect mental loops into empowering ones. Number 27. The law of integrity. The universe punishes falsehood long term. Application. Build power on truth. Lies collapse. Number 28. The law of leverage. A small input can create massive output. Application. Use systems, media, and influence to multiply force. Number 29. The law of timing. Right move, wrong time equals failure. Right move, right time equals breakthrough. Application. Align action with cycles and windows. Number 30. The law of synergy. 1 + 1 can equal 10. Collaboration multiplies results. Application. Choose alliances that elevate you. Number 31. The law of adaptation. Adapt or die. The universe favors flexibility. Application. Stay fluid. Adjust when the terrain changes. Number 32. The law of entropy. Without energy, all systems decay. Application. Feed your systems or they rot. Number 33. The law of legacy. Every action ripples forward. Your choices echo beyond your life. Application. Build something that outlives you. Final reveal. Every move you make either flows with these laws or fights against them. If you flow, doors open. If you fight, life becomes friction. The men who rise don't stumble on luck. They learn the code. They bend it. They use it. The laws don't care if you believe in them or not. They run the game regardless. The question is, are you going to keep playing blind, or are you going to play like someone who knows the rules? Talk to you soon.